Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to register for NHS. So all you need to do is open any browser and then type in register for NHS and then press on register with GP surgery nhs.uk and then press on it, then scroll down until you see login or create an account. If you have an account you can log in, but we are here showing how to create an account, how to register. So we press on create an account and then scroll down until you see continue. Now press on create NHS account and then press on continue and then enter your email address, continue, and then let's confirm you are a human. Press on begin. Now we need to choose all the clocks. Confirm. And now we have to create a password. We just need to create a password and then press on continue, and that's it. You will be registered, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.